Oh yeah, it's always a good day when you come home to a box, and that's a big box. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Something new just came in a few minutes ago and we're gonna unbox it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram because I did a poll about 2 months ago on what's in this box, and more than an overwhelming majority of you said you wanted to see this on the car. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to be something that will be as controversial as the vertical doors on the car. It's one of those things that people are either love or hate them, and I think it's going to be the same way with these. But let's open this box, see what we have, and yeah. I'm personally really excited about it. I think they're going to look really good on the car. I think it's going to really make the back end of the car way more aggressive, and I'm excited for this. So what you may notice is that this is no longer a matte black. It's actually a gloss black, but it's color matched to match my car with a clear coat over it. So these guys, which I'll put a link in the description below, they actually sell spray paint that you can order your specific color code to. That way you can color match any of your trim pieces to it. Not sponsored by them, but it's an awesome product. So second thing, I'm not going to use the double-sided tape that's around here, although I'm going to leave most of it in place just in case I need it in the future. But what we're going to do, this is a louver mounting kit, and it basically comes with these little metal plates that have a stud coming through them, a screw piece, and double-sided tape that goes on the back of this. This actually sticks to the window, the other side sticks to this. This will stay on the window, and then we will drill holes in parts of the louvers around the perimeter to put these through, and that way I can actually remove the louvers and clean my window. Otherwise, if you just use this method, you will never be able to get this thing off to clean your back window. Marked out here on the tape, we're going to drill through that. Once we have that drilled out and I know how big of an area to go with, we're going to cut the tape and remove that tape so this sits flush. And so now that we have our holes, we're just going to slide this in, pops in there, and then we can make our marks there. And we'll cut that part of the tape out. And we'll do that for all the holes. Okay, so all the spots are cut out. Now we're just going to add these, and it's time to put it on the car. We have our little mounting points here, little nubby things on the outside. There are 12 of them on here, and now we gotta do is stick this to the car, and next time you see it, it will be on the car. Alright guys, so let me know what you think of this. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I think louvers are kind of going to be the thing like my doors, where you're either going to love them or you're going to hate them. I'm kind of in the middle, honestly, on them. I wanted to try them out because most of you said you wanted to see them on the car. And I really like the design. The only thing I would like to see is that they weren't textured, which I could always later on sand them down and smooth them out and then refinish them. So that's not a big deal. But I think the big thing with them is making sure you get that install kit so that you can actually remove them to clean the car. So yeah, but I do think it kind of adds to the back end, makes the back end look way more aggressive. And since I have that vented hood on the front, it just kind of completes the car from front to back. So really a Batmobile kind of look. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. But that's all for me for now, guys. Until next time, take it easy.